Did anybody say mozzarella sticks? Okay, let's go. We got the eggs, we got the flour, we got the crushed up Doritos, and we got the crushed up Cheetos, and we got our mozzarella cheese sticks. Now I'm just gonna take one cheese stick one by one, and I'm gonna coat them. I'm gonna dip it in the egg first, then I'm gonna dip it in the flour, then I'm gonna dip it back in the egg, and then the chip of my choice. And right now we're gonna do the Flamin' Hot Cheetos for Madison. Please watch the whole video. Give me some feedback, like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, y'all, I was in a rush, but apparently I didn't crush up the Cheetos well enough as well as I wanted to, but the end result still came out nice. I actually refried some, but here's Kayla. She's making her batch of sticks now, and she's gonna be using the Doritos. She dipped it in her egg, she dipped it in her flour. Now she's gonna coat it with some original cheddar Doritos. Alright, y'all. Now I am frying Kayla's mozzarella sticks first, and you are to leave them, fry them 1 minute each side, period. And they're done. There we go. Timer's on. Tick, 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 tick. Boom. Let's go. Okay, guys, Kayla's about to try her nacho cheese Dorito mozzarella sticks. I asked her if they were good, and she said yeah. Now she's gonna hit her little happy dance. Get it, get it, get it. Go ahead, sis. Alright, guys, now we're about to fry up Madison's Carolina Reaper hot Cheeto mozzarella sticks. Get into it, get into it. Look. Aye. Okay, y'all, these are my little 2 mozzarella sticks, the Carolina Reaper Cheetos. Y'all, I ain't never ate these chips before in my life, let alone into a mozzarella stick vibe. Like, I was confused. But yeah, I'm gonna try it and check the reaction. Tell me if you think I enjoyed that. Boy, get into it. Get into it. Look. Y'all, the cheese was cheesing. Like, it was just really cheesy. And I like that. It was good.